Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to quickly and easily turn off the beeping sounds on your GoPro Hero 9 and reduce the volume. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I just got my GoPro Hero 9 and I set it up with the media mod attachment. However, it's very annoying listening to the beep all the time. How would I go ahead and reduce the volume or completely turn it off? Now, there's a couple ways that we can go ahead and do this. So let's go to the back of the GoPro and go into the settings. Now swipe down from the top. Under here, you can see a music symbol and it's highlighted. If we go ahead and press that music symbol, it says the beeps are now off. If I press it again, the beeps are on, and I just heard the beep. Now if I scroll to the right and go over to Preferences and select this option, then if I go to General, beep volume will be my first option. Now I already have it on low, but there's multiple different options under here. If we select it, there is low, medium, and high. So I typically keep mine at low, so I can hear the beep. If I'm further away from a GoPro and I'm using voice controls, I can know when it's recording or taking a picture. So it's very easy to turn off the beeps on your GoPro Hero 9. If this video did indeed quickly and easily help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.